Hey Vogt Fam! In today's makeup tutorial, we will be doing this look with the Maybelline Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette. I've already done my foundation, my contour, highlight, and blush. To start off, I'll be taking this gel mascara and brushing through my eyebrows. Next, I'll be taking this e.l.f. brow pencil in light brown and shading in my eyebrows. Next, I'll be taking this e.l.f. Brow Duo in the lightest shade on an angled brush and shading in my eyebrows. Now for the palette that inspired this look is the Maybelline Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette. My boyfriend got me this for Christmas, but I opened it up early because I'm too impatient and I saw him buy it, so what's the point of waiting till Christmas when you already know what you're gonna get? On a fluffy blending brush, I'll be taking this light shade Sherbet and applying it down as a base for the eyeshadow. On that same fluffy brush, I'll be taking the color Lemonade Craze and blending that into my crease. So that brush wasn't working very well, so I decided to take this other brush with a more fluffier tip that picked up the product way better. Now taking my favorite color in the palette, the Ice Pop, with the same brush and applying it to my crease and my outer lid. On a smaller blending brush, I'll be taking the color Ice Pop and blending it to my lower lash line. So I'm having trouble figuring out what I'm going to do next because I'm pretty much just winging this whole entire look. Not literally, because I'm going to be doing a winged eyeliner. Okay, I'll stop. Anyway, I'm going to be taking this color Ice Pop and just applying it on my lid with a fluffy blending brush. Gosh. I really like the outcome. So next I'll be taking this color Old Fashioned in that same blending brush and applying it to my outer corner and crease. I really like how this look is turning out so far, but the problem is the fallout is crazy. No big deal, just take a fluffy brush and just wipe it away. Next I'll be taking the color Strawberry Lemonade with my finger and applying that to my lid. With a fluffy brush, just wipe away any fallout that you have. With that small blending brush, take the color Old Fashioned and apply that to your lower lash line in the outer corner. On the lower lash line, I wanted to darken the color Ice Pop. Again, there is so much fallout, but just wipe it away with a fluffy brush. So this is the finished look for the eyeshadow part of the video. Next, I'll be taking this e.l.f. liquid liner and drawing a wing on my upper eyelash line. My mirror's really dirty. Just ignore that. For my upper and lower eyeline, I'll be taking this brow pencil, or eye pencil by Elme in the color black. wanted to add a pop of color in my lower lash line, so I'm taking this Color Workshop lip pencil in the color, it doesn't say, but it's pink. For mascara, I'll be taking Maybelline's Illegal Length and applying that to my upper and lower lashes. That lip pencil that I used under my eye, I'm going to use that for my lips. Taking this gold highlighter, I'm going to apply this to my lips to make them look shiny and full. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe. And go subscribe to Ozark Outlaw if you're not already. Also be sure to watch my other makeup tutorial on a holiday glam look. Also be sure to give this video to 200 likes if you want to see me do Brandon's makeup.
You will not.
Shh. Yes, I will. That's all I have for today's video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye, Vogt Fam!